Welcome to the InforMaven AI Update, a podcast for higher education administrators to discuss the practical use of AI and intelligent agents. I'm J.D. Mosley-Matchett, the founder and CEO of InforMaven, a company that helps you work smarter by harnessing the power of intelligent agents. And this month, our guest is Dr. Claire Brady, the CEO of Glass Half Full Consulting. What AI use cases have been the most promising? In higher education, the work is deeply relational, so maintaining the human touch is really important. Can you describe the most promising AI use cases you've seen that still keep the human connection at the center?
Sure. It's what I love about our field, right? Higher education is about human transformation, and no algorithm can ever replace that. One powerful possibility that I see AI is as an early signal, not an answer machine. Imagine a system that reviews early coursework and quietly alerts an advisor that a student might be struggling. The student doesn't get a cold auto email, they get a phone call or a check-in from someone who knows them and can offer them real support. The technology makes the space far more caring and much more open and available to human conversation. Another example, an AI-powered chatbot that handles the late night, what time does the library close questions, but then instantly routes anything sensitive like mental health concerns to a human professional. The bot isn't the advisor or the counselor. It's the triage support, making sure the right person shows up at the right time for the student. And of course, I get really excited about the ways that AI can help faculty and staff spend more time on the high impact parts of their work. If a professor can have AI generate practice problems tailored to each student's needs, that frees them up to use class time for the kind of relationship-driven learning that we know works and draws many of us to this work in the first place. At its best, AI doesn't replace connection, it protects and it amplifies it. So when we design with intention, AI becomes less about replacing people and more about restoring their capacity to do the human work that matters most to us.
Well said. Please visit InforMaven.ai to hear the entire interview.